Okay, so we're doing an unboxing. This is Star Wars: The Jedi Path. It just came out today. It's a book, obviously, about the Jedi. It's supposed to have a whole bunch of stuff with it. I got the Vault Edition, so that's what we're going to be opening today. This is the front of the box. This is the back. I'll let you read it. Go ahead and pause if you like. But, yeah, I've been looking forward to this for a while, so please excuse, the other stuff around the, the box as I'm doing this on my bed. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna need scissors. And look, I have them. It's kind of hard to do that one-handed. In general, it's kind of hard to do this because I'm doing everything one-handed. Let's see. More scissors. So, it's a book with operating instructions. It's kind of hard to read that, I'm sure. But yeah, it's battery powered. Let's take a look. Now let's get the plastic off first. This is the worst unboxing ever, or probably close to it. So, alright. There's text on it. Will we read the text? No. Alright, well I will, but you're going to have to pause. Okay. So, I have to pull that out for the battery, and then there's unboxing, and then there's, well, opening. That's pretty awesome. And then there's more instructions, just in case. So, this is the book itself. Oh wow. It's signed, or, in theory, signed by a bunch of different Jedi. Here's something from Luke Skywalker. It's cool that it kind of looks worn. Looks like it's been passed down. Oh, what's that? It's origami is what it is, of some sort. I don't know what the hell it is. I'll have to come back to it later. Ooh, that looks bloodstained. Oh, Galaxy map. Pages were torn out here, or so the book will like to say. I saw, oh yeah, a Jedi Starfighter patch. That's pretty cool. And I'm sure there's other things in here that I'm missing. Oh, it's not bloodstained, it's a coffee stain. See? There's something written on the back of it, but I'm going to open that up later. I don't trust myself doing that one. Oh, maybe I will. Oh, the lightsaber diagram. That's pretty cool. On the back of like a napkin. Oh, Padawan braid. That's pretty cool. Alright. That's all you're getting. I suggest if you really want to look at it, you go and buy a copy for yourself.